Standard 7th, lesson number 1, the living world, adaptations and classifications. The meaning of adaptation is the changes that happen or take place inside the body of plant or animal to adjust to the surrounding so that the animal can live, so that the plant can live is called adaptation. And classification is a method where the different types of plants and animals are grouped into some group based on some similar characters so that we can study them easily. So we are going to see the adaptations and classification of plants and animals. Now why are we studying this classification of adaptation? The main reason for this is there is great huge variety of plants and animals present on the earth. Variety means types, different types. So if you want to study all these different varieties of plants and animals in detail, it would be difficult if they are not classified. Now, talking about this variety, for example, there are some plants which grow in the water, like for example, lotus, and there are some which grow in desert, like cactus or bubble tree. Now, these two conditions are extremely different. One is some that grows completely in water, and the other one is that are growing in desert. That means scarcity of water, no water or very less water, but still they grow there. Then there are some plants and animals which are found only in snowy region, which is very cold, and those plants and animals we do not find in any other place. Then some plants or animals are unicellular, made from only one cell, where some are multicellular and very huge in structure, like whale, elephant. So this is called the variety, diversity. Now, how come so much of variety has been developed on Earth? How did this diversity came into existence? Diversity means variety, various types. Now, the reason why there is diversity in plants and animals is adaptation. One major reason is adaptation. Adaptation means the changes that take place inside plant or animal's body so that the plant and animal can adjust to the surrounding place and stay over there, live, survive. So they have given you a definition of adaptation. Gradual change. Gradual means something that takes place slowly with time, not all of a sudden. Gradual changes occurring in the body parts and also in the behavior of organism which help to adjust to the surroundings. Such changes are called adaptations, and they happen after a long period of time. It takes many years for adaptations to happen. Some examples which are given that will help you to understand the diversity and adaptation is coniferous trees like pine tree, deodar tree, or commonly called as Christmas tree. These are found in snowy region like Kashmir. Now, why only coniferous trees grow in snowy region? Because these coniferous trees are very tall, and if you see the branches, they are drooping downwards. They fall downwards, and so that if the snow falls on them, it can just drop down. And in desert region like Rajasthan, plants like cactus and acacia means babul grow over there. Why? Because these plants are not like other plants like branches and stem separate. No, they have modified parts where their leaves are modified, and they have a thick jelly inside which stores water. So, because of this characteristics, these plants can easily survive in desert region. The camel is the animal which is found in desert region. Again, this animal can live and survive without water for many days. So, because of the changes that has happened in these plants and animals, they can live and survive in their particular environment. So these are the examples of adaptations.